Section 6. Becoming an AI-ready student. Skills, barriers, and the road ahead learning objectives. 1. Identify the core skills required to be AI, ready in education and future careers. 2. Recognize common myths and barriers that prevent students from using AI effectively. 3. Understand AI readiness as a continuous journey rather than a one-time lesson. 4. Commit to a personal roadmap for becoming a responsible, AI-ready leader of the future. Instructor voice, closing, motivational tone. Congratulations! You've now explored what AI is, why students need to be ready for it, how to apply frameworks in your studies, how to use it as a learning partner, and even how it will shape your future career. But here's the most important point. AI readiness is never finished. It is not something you learn once and permanently master. Just like languages or technology skills, AI readiness is a lifelong habit. So, how do you stay AI ready? Let's talk about the skills, the barriers, and finally, your roadmap. The core skills of an AI-ready student. To be AI-ready, you don't need to be a professional programmer or a mathematician. Instead, you need a set of universal student skills. 1. Awareness. Knowing what AI tools exist and recognizing when you are already using them in daily life. 2. Fluency. Being able to talk about AI, explain what it does, and describe both strengths and risks. 3. Critical thinking. Questioning outputs, checking for errors, and not trusting results blindly. 4. Responsibility using AI ethically, not misusing it to cheat or replace your own work. Common barriers and myths. But many students fall into traps or myths that block their readiness. Let's bust some of them. Myth 1. AI is only for coders or scientists. Wrong. AI is for everyone. Doctors, teachers, artists, lawyers, not just programmers. Myth 2. AI knows everything. Wrong. AI works on patterns. It makes mistakes, sometimes dramatic ones. Myth 3. AI kills creativity. Wrong. AI suggests patterns or drafts, but human ideas, emotions, and originality remain irreplaceable. Myth 4. Using AI is cheating. Wrong. Misusing AI, like submitting AI homework, is cheating. But using AI for brainstorming or editing is smart learning. Once you recognize these myths, you can see clearly where AI helps your growth and where it harms it. The road ahead, your student roadmap. Here at Horizon Tracks, built with guidance from professionals at Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, AWS, and professors from Stanford, MIT, Harvard, Columbia, Yale, Swansea, and more, we've distilled the roadmap into 3 phases of growth. 1. From literacy to fluency. Move from just recognizing AI to explaining, questioning, and applying it. 2. From fluency to readiness. Use AI confidently in study routines, projects, and career planning. Always keep the 4 Ds, delegation, description, discernment, diligence, in mind. 3. From readiness to leadership. AI-ready students don't just follow AI. They guide its responsible use in classrooms, communities, and eventually their jobs. This is your roadmap. Awareness, fluency, readiness, leadership. The future is not AI versus students. The future is AI with students, creating powerful partnerships. AI will accelerate learning, but your curiosity drives true understanding. AI will support careers, but your creativity and ethics will shape real impact. AI will change society, but your values and leadership will decide how. You are the generation to shape the AI era. By becoming AI-ready, you are not just preparing for exams, you are preparing to write the next chapter of human progress. And that's the mission of Horizon Tracks, to make every student, everywhere, truly AI-ready. Reflection. Project yourself 10 years into the future. What career do you see yourself in? How might you responsibly use AI in that role? What choices can you make today, as a student, to prepare for that future? Take 2 minutes to imagine it. Then write down your answer. This is your personal roadmap. Key takeaways. 1. AI readiness is not a single lesson. It is a lifelong habit of learning, questioning, and adapting. 2. 5 core skills: awareness, fluency, critical thinking, responsibility, adaptability. 3. Common myths block progress: Overcome them to use AI confidently and wisely. 4. Student roadmap is literacy, fluency, readiness, leadership. 5. AI is not here to replace students. It is here to partner with you. The choice of how to use it rests with you.